All right, here's our June 3rd photosphere test. Just initialized the HMDs, or I thought I have one of the minis not playing along. Let's go ahead and rebroadcast if that brings that guy up. It did. All right, so slide 1 with a rebroadcast anyways. Everything's up and running. Photosphere 2. Pop, pop, pop. Everybody's looking good. Photosphere 2. Everybody's coming to the party. Photosphere 3. Looking good. Have 2 that haven't made it. That doesn't mean they've crashed. Rebroadcast. And there they are. Everyone is up. Photosphere 4. And I have 2 minis that haven't made the jump, but I'm not going to worry about them. And I've had what I'm pretty sure is a Sprint phone. Yeah, that one's going to give me trouble. So I think that's not an issue. Alright, so we have 2 minis that aren't coming along. I don't expect those. Photosphere 5. Another mini has trouble, but the other 2 minis came up. The other mini came up. So everybody, except for a Sprint phone, is up and running. Photosphere 6. Pop, pop, pop. And it looks like everybody has made the change. I have one S4 that's a little pokey, but I think they'll catch up if we had rebroadcast. Go ahead to Photosphere 7. Okay, Photosphere 7, bad example. It's actually a nighttime shot, so you can't tell if everybody's made it. We're going to go ahead into Photosphere 8. Haven't seen the WebGL crashes yet, so we're already way more successful than we were yesterday. Alright, we do have some that are not loading, though, that are blank screens. So I have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and rebroadcast. Still on Photosphere 8, but this is my third cumulative rebroadcast, and it brought them back. Okay, this mini I think is going to be troublesome, but everyone else is back. We have 1 down mini and 1 Sprint, so that's a good sign. Photosphere 9. Boom. Okay, no one has crashed WebGL. We do have a couple that haven't loaded. I'm going to rebroadcast Photosphere 9. See, let's bring those guys back up. Everyone's popping, and it brought those back up. All right, so our only, we did have 1 go down. So we had one of the mini S4s has completely crashed. Otherwise, everyone is running, even the troublesome other mini. So we have 1 crash and 1 unrelated Sprint firmware issue. Going to Photosphere 10. Photosphere 10. Boom. We had another crash. So we've had 2 WebGL crashes. I'm assuming they're WebGLs. I don't see the error message, but it completely drops. So by Photosphere 10, with 3 or 4 rebroadcasts, we have 2 that are down. We have 1 that's dark, but I bet if we rebroadcast, that one will come back up. So this is our 4th or 5th cumulative rebroadcast. We had another crash. So we've had 2 S4s crash and 1 S4 mini have crashed. We're going to make that 5 crashed by Photosphere 10 with maybe 4 rebroadcasts. Still much more stable. That's looking a lot better. Let's go to Photosphere 11. Up. And we had another one go down. We had another mini go down. So at Photosphere 11 now, we've had several go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of our 29 phones have crashed. So 7 out of 29 by Sphere 11. And moving forward, Photosphere 12. go down. We have at least one up there that's not repopulating our crashes. Just gonna go back. All right, this is Photosphere 13, which is just a replay of one of the other ones. I'm going to go all the way to 15, so we're seeing we have had a couple more crashes, but Photosphere 14, another crash, and Photosphere 15, which will be our last one for now. You guys thinking about it? Good. Also, another mini that's thinking about it. The minis is going to be the biggest problem. Okay, we have a couple that haven't transitioned, so not black screen, but still stuck on the previous Photosphere. So I'm going to go ahead and rebroadcast Photosphere 15. See if I can get a couple more guys. Do some good final numbers here on 15. Okay, final tally after 15 photospheres. For the crashes, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 out of 29 did not make it to the end. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and say that's 14 because that one is completely stalled up. Yep, 14 out of 29. Better than last night, though. Big progress.